What we do is very innovative in a few ways. We are uniquely positioned to make a major impact and change the entire industry, that being the industry of kayaking. Nobody's making kayaks the way we're making kayaks. To go out and build that, we actually have to build manufacturing techniques, which is really interesting, and some of that translates to performance. Parts of it you'll never see. We're based here in San Francisco. We have manufacturing in Southern California. We have in-house design, we have in-house marketing and sales. For lack of a better term, we're a full stack company.
We're always learning. The process is not set in stone. And now it's learning to almost let go of our individual needs and wants and start with the customer. But as we grow, it's who are the customers, what are their needs, what are the constraints we need to work within, and ideating there. This idea in a number of 25 prototypes in a garage to thousands and thousands of boats. We're trying to come up with something innovative and new as designers. I think that's been kind of in our DNA since the beginning. Not just design something that's new and helpful for the customer, but designing something that we can manufacture easily and isn't a pain for the factory. Right now we use Fusion 360. It's a great product for us because it's truly a